What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Murray lawnmower, and the problem is it won't start. Let's diagnose the issue and hopefully fix it. I really like these types of mowers. They're lightweight, they're easy to handle, and they're pretty simple to work on. Let's go ahead and try and start the mower and see if we can figure out anything as we're trying to start it. Well, it's not even trying to start, so I'm suspecting a spark issue. I normally use this affordable spark checker to check for spark, but let's take a shortcut instead to find out if this mower even works. First, let's take off the air filter and cover and take a look at the air filter and see if there's any issues with it. Well, it is a little bit dirty. It's not caked over with dirt, so that's not the problem we're looking for. This type of carburetor has a primer bulb that sprays gas into the engine to help it start. Unfortunately, if you notice, there's no gas being sprayed when I press the primer bulb. If this happens to you, try pouring a small amount of gasoline into the carburetor to get it to start. Once you've poured some gas into the carburetor, now try starting it again. Well, it seems like it's a carburetor problem, but if we press the primer bulb again, this time the gas is actually spraying into the engine like it's supposed to. Well, it seems like there was a clog in the jet, but running the engine actually seemed to clear it. Just to make sure that this isn't a fluke, let's go ahead and try to start it one more time. Whatever stopped the carburetor from working properly must have come from the gas inside the fuel tank. Let's put the air filter and its cover back on the carburetor and take a look inside the fuel tank. I know it's a bit difficult to see on camera, but there seems to be some dirt or small bits of debris inside the tank. Emptying the tank and letting it dry, and then cleaning it of any dirt and debris should probably take care of this problem and not let it happen again. This may be difficult to do, but keeping your deck clear of dirt and grass is probably good advice to make sure that none of it gets inside your fuel tank when refueling. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any comments or questions about your small engines, please leave them in the comments below. And please consider subscribing, as it really supports this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.